Another day, another story. Hey, everyone, welcome back to Imagenish videos. Today, we're diving into the heart and soul of Jamaican cuisine with a dish that's rich in flavor and history. Jamaican Oxtail Stew. But before we get cooking, let's uncover some unknown facts about this iconic dish. Historical roots. Did you know that Jamaican Oxtail Stew has its roots in the island's history? Back in the days of colonization, the British had a preference for prime cuts of meat, leaving Jamaican slaves with the less desirable oxtail. But the resourceful Jamaican people turned it into a culinary masterpiece, creating a dish that's now celebrated worldwide. Jamaican cuisine is a beautiful fusion of various cultures, and oxtail stew is no exception. The dish showcases influences from Africa, Spain, Britain, and even the indigenous Taino people. The blend of spices and cooking techniques makes it a true representation of Jamaica's diverse heritage. Slow cooking magic. One of the secrets behind the incredible taste of Jamaican oxtail stew is the slow cooking process. The oxtail is marinated in a unique blend of spices and left to simmer for hours, allowing the flavors to meld together and create a mouth-watering symphony of tastes and textures. Nutritional powerhouse. Beyond its delicious taste, oxtail stew is a nutritional powerhouse. Oxtail is rich in collagen, which is great for joint health and gives the stew its signature velvety texture. The dish is also packed with vegetables and spices that contribute to its overall health benefits. Social and cultural symbol. In Jamaican culture, oxtail stew is more than just a meal. It's a social and cultural symbol, often served during celebrations, family gatherings, and special occasions. The act of sharing a pot of oxtail stew is a bonding experience that brings people together. In Jamaican culture, serving oxtail stew is often considered a symbol of prosperity. It's a dish that's reserved for special occasions and is a testament to the idea that despite its humble origins, the oxtail has become a symbol of abundance and success. Oxtail's unique flavor. The oxtail itself contributes to the stew's unique flavor. Oxtail meat is well marbled and contains a mix of lean meat, fat, and bone marrow. During the slow cooking process, the marrow melts into the stew, adding a rich, savory depth that distinguishes Jamaican oxtail stew from other dishes. Jamaican Scotch Bonnet pepper. One key ingredient that adds a fiery kick to Jamaican oxtail stew is the Jamaican Scotch Bonnet pepper. These small, colorful peppers are known for their intense heat and fruity undertones. They not only spice up the stew but also contribute to the distinctive flavor profile of Jamaican cuisine. While oxtail stew is the star of the show, oxtail is a versatile ingredient used in various Jamaican dishes. It's often grilled, fried, or used in soups, showcasing its adaptability in Jamaican culinary traditions. Cultural preservation through cooking. Jamaican oxtail stew is a beautiful example of how communities preserve their cultural identity through food. Passed down through generations, the recipe reflects the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Jamaican people, creating a culinary legacy that stands the test of time. Historical healing ties. In Jamaican folklore, oxtail stew is often attributed with healing properties. Some believe that the combination of spices and the collagen-rich oxtail can have medicinal benefits, aiding in the recovery from certain ailments. It's a dish that not only satisfies the taste buds but also holds a special place in traditional Jamaican medicine. Over the years, Jamaican oxtail stew has evolved, adapting to modern tastes while maintaining its cultural roots. Today, you might find creative twists on the classic recipe, incorporating ingredients like cocoa, coffee, or even a splash of Jamaican rum to add layers of complexity to the dish. When preparing Jamaican oxtail stew, it's a tradition to turn cornmeal dumpling. This involves adding small, seasoned cornmeal dumplings to the simmering pot. These dumplings absorb the flavors of the stew, becoming flavorful, bite-sized delights that add an extra dimension to the dish. Oxtail stew as a culinary ambassador. Jamaican oxtail stew has become a culinary ambassador for the island, representing Jamaica's rich culture and flavorful heritage worldwide. It's not just a meal, it's a cultural ambassador that introduces people to the warmth, diversity, and unique tastes of Jamaica. Now that we've uncovered some fascinating facts about Jamaican oxtail stew, let's head to the kitchen and cook up this flavorful delight. But before we do, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let us know in the comments if you've ever tried oxtail stew or if you're excited to give it a shot. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of Jamaican oxtail stew. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more culinary adventures on Imagenish videos. Until next time, happy cooking! Please like, comment and subscribe.